What if your PC suddenly refuses to boot, gets infected with malware, or you need to recover important files urgently? Instead of panicking, imagine having a powerful portable operating system in your pocket that can rescue almost any computer. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Hirens BootCD PE bootable USB, one of the most useful tools every PC user should have. Trust me, you'll want to make one before you actually need it. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Hirens BootCD PE. Open the official website. Here you'll find everything you need, including the latest version available for download. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and download the latest ISO file. While you're there, I highly recommend reading the tutorial and requirements section on the website. It also explains how to boot from a USB drive and contains useful information that can save you time later. Next, you'll need Rufus to prepare the bootable USB. Head over to the Rufus official website and download the latest version. I'm using the portable version because it doesn't require installation. Make sure you have a USB drive ready. I already have one with an older version of Hirens BootCD PE, so I'll be upgrading it to the latest version. Once the ISO file has finished downloading, launch Rufus. Make sure your USB drive is plugged in, then select the downloaded ISO file. For the partition scheme, I recommend choosing MBR because it's compatible with both older systems and newer BIOS UEFI systems. Rufus will automatically select the appropriate file system, usually NTFS, so you can leave that as it is. Also, make sure your USB drive has enough storage space. A 16 GB USB drive is more than sufficient. Before proceeding, remember that all data on the USB drive will be erased, so back up anything important first. When you're ready, click Start and then OK. The process will take a few minutes while Rufus prepares the bootable USB. And in a moment, I'll show you why this USB is so powerful and why many technicians keep it with them at all times. Once the process is complete, you can close Rufus. Your Hirens BootCD PE USB is now ready to use. This is the latest version, and in my opinion, it's one of the best diagnostic and recovery toolkits available for Windows PCs. If your computer develops problems, simply restart it and boot from the USB drive. Depending on your PC or laptop, you'll need to press one of the function keys such as F12, F11, Escape, or another. Once the system boots from the USB drive, it may take a minute or two to load. What you'll see is essentially a portable operating system based on Windows 11 PE, running directly from the USB drive. As you can see on the screen, you can even connect to Wi-Fi. And this is where things get really interesting. You get access to a huge collection of built-in tools without installing anything on the computer. Once connected to Wi-Fi, you'll have a fully functional internet connection. You can browse files on all connected drives, recover important data, scan for malware, repair Windows installations, manage partitions, check hard drive health, and much more. If you open the Utilities folder, you'll find a massive collection of tools, including antivirus and malware removal tools, hard disk diagnostics, data recovery software, partition management tools, backup and recovery utilities, password and system repair tools. And that's just scratching the surface. You also get web browsers such as Google Chrome and Firefox, along with many other useful applications. The best part? Everything is already pre-installed and ready to use. No setup required. Just launch the tool you need and get to work. This is why I always recommend keeping a Hirens BootCD PE USB in a safe place. It can save you hours of troubleshooting and could even rescue important files when a computer won't boot. Think of it as a complete portable emergency toolkit for your PC that fits in your pocket. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Also, let me know in the comments, have you ever used Hirens BootCD PE, or what's your favorite PC recovery tool? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.